Hello, my lovely friends. Today I'm gonna show you how to paint this beautiful candle holder. If you would like to see, keep watching and let's start. I print out this beautiful winter village. It's by Josef Lada. He was a Czech painter and illustrator. I'm just cutting out all the pieces with X-Acto knife so I can then trace them onto the jar. Here we have the isopropyl alcohol that I'll be using for cleaning. So just clean the outside of the glass where we're going to be putting the image on. It will help the paint to stick to the surface better. So I'm using this white multi-purpose paint. I just got it from a regular craft store, and it has to be multi-surface so that way it sticks to the glass and doesn't wash out. Here I'm just applying it where the houses would be. I like to use the white paint so I know that the village is gonna be painted straight and not crooked. And if I do any mistake, then I can just paint over it quickly with white. With the color, it would be harder to repair any mistakes. Now I'll be using a pink and the black color, and we're gonna be filling the little details of the houses, little windows and the doors. I'm gonna be adding a little bit more of the other colors. As you can see, I'm adding blue, green and brown, and I'm just filling in the color for the houses and the little church on top. I like how it kind of looks, so now I'm gonna paint everything white around it, all the snow. I'm also covering up the foreground with the snow where I had children and the snowman painted. I can still see the outlines through the white layer, so we don't have to worry about that. We're gonna make the details a little later. So here I'm just filling the details and all the lines of the houses. I still remember when I was a little girl and looking at Josef Lada paintings in the children's books. They were one of my favorites, and as you can see, there are a lot of lines, thick lines around the houses and the children, and it just was so beautiful to look at it when I was a child, and to be able to now paint one kind of a memory of my childhood on this candle holder is bringing me such a joy. So I hope you have your own favorite painter or illustrator or some kind of image that you love, that you will be able to trace it on your glass jar and do this kind of fun project with me. Now I'm using the red and the yellow to fill in the details of the windows, so it looks like the light is coming through, and also filling the details in the children and the snowman. To finish the edges, I'm using my stencil snowflake to make sure that each edge is even, and also I'm painting smaller sizes of snowflakes by hand to make it more interesting and have more variety. So now to make sure that everything looks good and clean, we're gonna use the isopropyl alcohol to clean the edges off and little leftover paint. So this is the final look of the candle holder. I hope you enjoyed this painting with me and had fun. And if you like this video, please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe if you already not. And I look forward to seeing you next time. Thank you for watching. Happy holidays and a lovely Christmas.